What's up, YouTube? This your boy CJ63 is awesome _YT, aka Corey Johnson. We're back in our video, and we're gonna be playing Tornado Alley Ultimate like I promised. This is the A sub special right here. This is a tornado game in Roblox. This is a tornado game in Roblox. It's pretty fun. It's a new release of Tornado Alley games. You have Tornado Alley 2 and then Tornado Alley Ultimate. Elena, I'm busy filming a video.
He just called himself.
But yeah. Joining Saba. Why? I am Optimus Prime, and I say I will shoot you. This is boring. I can tell you that right now. This is boring. Oh no, this is very boring. Boring. I'm Beast Boy now. Boring. How did you like that? I made it come big. Yes, Tornado Ultimate, here we come. I have 30 coins. Find shelter and simply survive a tornado. Map chosen town. Oh. In the eye of the tornado. Oh, I died. Already. I died. Oh, okay. Oh, and I have blue fire, by the way. Is this? Oh, yeah, this is town. I was going to say it was the university. Oh, no. Is this normal survivor? Or normal survival? Yeah, it is. It's normal survival. Yeah. I have 300 coins, not 30. And 1 survival. That's okay. There's a tornado forming. This is not a test. I don't see it. Oh. Crap. I don't see it. I don't see anything. I guess I'm okay. Other people are appearing to be gray. There are 2 tornadoes, an EF1 and an EF2. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, God. They both are right over there. Over there. That's scary. Right behind me. That is scary. Please don't kill me. I'm innocent. Please. I'm just crawling. They are really slow. So scary. Is that the EF2 and that's the EF1? Like, I think that one was the EF2 on that side. On that side. That side's CF2. That side's CF1. Whoa. Oh my God, it's loud. I died. I died. It's not with us anymore. Oh, I'm still alive? Yo. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna run. Hey, they took my glasses. You stupid tornadoes took my glasses. How dare you? And this video ends without me knowing you guys know what to do. But how dare you take my glasses? You stupid tornadoes. You're gonna regret that. Are they coming this way? Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there. It's following me. It's following me. That EF2 is following me over there. That's destroying that high building. It's following me. They both are. They're like, let's just destroy this building over here.